All of us experience anxiety in one way or another, whether it's sporadic or on a daily basis. Feelings of worry, doubt, or fear can really consume us, and we need the tools to cope. Take 10 minutes out of your day to move through yoga postures that will leave you feeling relaxed, peaceful, and joyful. Now is the time to make the time. Begin in a seated position. Rest your hands comfortably on your lap. Lengthen up through your spine and relax your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. Reach your arms out to the side so your fingertips are touching the mat and your arms are stretched out as far as possible. As we focus on breath of balance, we're going to connect the movement of our body with the pace of our breath. As you begin to inhale, start to lift your arms all the way up above your head, and when your inhale ends, your hands touch. Exhale, separate the hands, bring them all the way down. When your exhale ends, your hands touch the mat. Inhaling and reaching up, coordinating the breath and the movement. Exhaling, reaching the arms out and all the way down. This might take a few times to figure out exactly how fast or how slow your breath will guide you today. So just bring your attention to the movement of your body and allow the rhythm to flow. Take one more inhale, reaching all the way up. And one more exhale, guiding your hands to the mat. Now bring yourself into child's pose, sitting back on your heels, folding over your body. Just rest your head on your stacked arms or hands. Taking a moment to focus on your breath. Child's pose helps to ease stress and fatigue. It is a pose of honor. So it also teaches us to honor our bodies, honor ourselves in every situation. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Rise up onto your knees, tuck your toes. Let's move to downward facing dog. Hips are high. Press into the hands like you're pushing yourself away from your mat, the chest sinking towards your thighs. Create length by lifting the tailbone and pressing the heels down. Downward facing dog brings oxygenated blood to the body, providing more energy. Continue to focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, walk your hands back towards your feet to a forward fold. Adjust the feet how it feels right to you, separating or bringing the big toes to touch. Forward fold helps to release tension and relax the mind. Notice if you need a slight bend in your knees here. Let your head hang heavy and enjoy the stretch through the back of your body. On your next inhale, rise up to a standing position. Moving into tree pose. Balance on the right foot. Start by placing the left heel to the inside of your right ankle, hands to heart center. You can slide the foot up higher to the calf or to the inner thigh. Keep your gaze steady to help with balance, and press your knee outward. If you want a little bit more, reach your arms towards the sky. Balance postures such as tree pose helps to bring the focus inward and quiet racing thoughts. It's okay if you wobble. It's okay if you fall out. Just come right back in and begin again. Release the foot in the hands to heart center and switch sides. Right heel rests on the left ankle. Slowly guide it up higher to the calf or up to the inner thigh. Keep your gaze steady, pressing your knee out. And if you want more, reach your arms up towards the sky. Find your breath. Enjoy the peace. Slowly start to release the hands to heart. The foot comes back down. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky, look up, and exhale, forward fold, come on down. Walk your hands forward and drop your knees down, coming into a reclined position. Bend your knees, soles of the feet touch and knees open wide. Supta Baddha Konasana or reclined butterfly. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart to stay connected to your breath. This posture helps to release anxious feelings and promote calmness. Feel the movement of your hands as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Let's release now, moving into our final rest, Shavasana. Knees draw in. Extend the right foot to the right corner of the mat and the left foot to the left corner of the mat. Arms relax by your side. We'll be here for about 1 minute, but if you have time, I encourage you to stay in this final resting posture for as long as you can. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon. Namaste.